If you're curious on how to get your website, your Kajabi website associated with your YouTube channel so that you can advertise links on your YouTube channel, this video is all about that. So let me walk you through it. It's really pretty easy. You've got to verify your website with some code so that YouTube knows that you own it, that you verified it, and you're going to actually embed it into your website. Now, Kajabi makes this super, super easy. Let me show you. So to verify our external site, we're going to go back to Studio Classic. So Creator Studio Classic. We're going to go to the channel, our channel that we're on, and we're going to go to Advanced right here. Now the Advanced area is going to show different information about this, and we have an associated website area. So for this example, I've actually switched to a different account, and this is a screen capture I made for the company notarycoach.com. But you go to the area where you want the associated website, and you're going to type in the website that you have that you want to be associated with. But you have to have access to this. This has to be a real website before you do this. So don't do this if you're just planning on building a website. Do this once you've built the website. All right. Then you're going to just click Add. And at this point, you should see that it's in pending mode. The next step is it says underneath it, to associate with this site, you must verify that you own it. Click Verify. And now there's different ways to do this. We're going to go to the alternate method, and there's different options. We're going to go to HTML tag. You're going to copy what's in this spot. And then you're going to go back to Kajabi. Once in Kajabi, go down to Settings, after you've logged in, obviously. And then go over to Site Details. So it's the very first option. Click that. And then scroll down, and about near the end of this page, near the bottom of it, there's an area that says Page Scripts. And there's a text input place, and you're just going to paste. You're going to copy what you just had from your YouTube channel, and then click Save. And now we're just going to go back to our YouTube channel, and we're going to click Verify. Boom. That's it. Really, really simple. If this video was helpful to you, will you please hit that like button and consider subscribing and sharing this with somebody that you think could benefit from this video. We love passing on solutions that make life a little more stupid easy. One more thing, we have a crash course we do very regularly, and it's totally free, and it's all about how to build an online course. We give a whole crash course on how we do this. If that interests you at all, you can sign up below. There's a register button below in the comments. We would love to see you there. All right, guys, that's it for this week. We will see you on the next video.